How to buy Wave token. Now this token came under the symbol of WAV. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check their account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, it will be available for trading on MEXC. So how to buy this token? Now first of all, go and open your MEXC account like that. Now if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link on create an account in MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your token with some USDT. Now after that, what you need to do, in the search bar you can type the token name. In this case it will be WAV, and you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it, wait a few seconds to be able to load this page. Now as you can see here as you can see, this token, it will be available for trading about 4 days ago, 4 days from now. So after that, you will be able to trade this token on your account in MEXC. So I will give you an example how to buy this token. Now first, for example, this is our token, as you can see. Now you can click on this pair that has USDT. Now after that, what you need to do, select the buy. Now click on limit. Here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of that USDT on your account in order to buy this token, and click on buy wave or WAV. Now if you select the market, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account in order to use it to buy this token. So this is how to buy WAV token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.